Over 2,000 years ago, the Greek philosopher Plato told a mysterious story. He spoke of a great island kingdom called Atlantis, wealthy, powerful, and ahead of its time. A land of grand temples, vast canals, and armies that ruled far beyond their shores. But according to Plato, this mighty civilization became greedy, and in a single day and night, it sank into the sea, never to be seen again. For centuries, people believed it was just a myth, a cautionary tale about pride and punishment. But then, some began to ask, what if it was based on truth? Plato wrote that Atlantis lay beyond the Pillars of Hercules, what we now call the Strait of Gibraltar. He described the city as circular, with rings of land and water, something strange yet specific. That detail sparked the imagination of explorers, scientists, and even conspiracy theorists. If Atlantis really existed, where could it be? One of the most intriguing possibilities is in the middle of the Sahara Desert. There lies a massive, circular formation called the Rishat structure, also known as the Eye of the Sahara. Its shape looks surprisingly close to Plato's description. It has concentric rings, a central island, and signs that water once flowed there. Could this be the lost city, buried by time and sand? Skeptics point out that it's a natural formation with no ruins ever found. But the resemblance is hard to ignore. Others point to the Mediterranean. The ancient Minoan civilization once thrived on the island of Crete and nearby Santorini. They built vast palaces, traded across the seas, and left behind a rich culture. But around 1600 BCE, a massive volcanic eruption devastated the region. Tsunamis followed, wiping out cities and crippling the Minoan world. Could this real disaster have inspired Plato's legend? And then there are the underwater mysteries. In the Bahamas, strange stone structures lie beneath the waves, like the Bimini Road, with massive rocks in straight lines. Some believe they're the ruins of a sunken city. Most scientists say they're natural, shaped by erosion. Still, their origin remains debated. Off the coast of Spain, another theory points to Spartelbank, a submerged plateau that may have been above water during the last ice age. And near the Canary Islands, deep-sea ridges show signs of ancient shorelines. Some even suggest satellite images of the Sahara reveal hidden walls and trenches. Despite all the theories, one truth remains. No one has ever found solid proof of Atlantis. Many historians believe Plato invented the story to send a message about power, morality, and the downfall of civilizations. But what if he was inspired by distant memories? By tales of real cities lost to earthquakes, floods, or rising seas? Atlantis may not be real in the way legends claim, but the mystery endures, because somewhere between myth and history, there might be a truth we haven't uncovered yet. And that's why we keep searching.